is Manon Masadi. I would like to present the result of our research with the title The Effect of Product Quality on Buying Decision at PT San Miguel Pure Foods Indonesia. First, abstract. This research aims to determine the effect of product quality on buying decision at PT San Miguel Pure Foods Indonesia. The method used is explanatory research with a sample of 60 respondents. The analysis technique uses statistical analysis with regression testing, correlation, determination, and hypothesis testing. The result of this research variable product quality obtained an average score of 3.740 with good criteria. The buying decision variable obtained an average score of 3.785 with good criteria. Product quality has a positive and significant effect on buying decision with the regression equation y equal 11936 plus 0.693x and correlation coefficient value of 0.791 or has a strong level of relationship with a determination value of 62.6%. Hypothesis testing obtained significance of 0.00 is less than 0.05. First, abstract. Background. Business development in the global market is increasing, making competition among business actors even tighter. On the one hand, with the global market expanding the product market, on the contrary, this situation has created increasingly sharp competition. With advances in information and communication technology that are increasingly sophisticated, generating awareness for producers to be able to take advantage of potential businesses opportunities for companies. PT San Miguel Pure Foods Indonesia is a company engaged in manufacturing, especially producing sauces. In maintaining product qualification standards, it must be based on standards determined by the government. All products have been tested through qualified laboratories to be able to compete. The management of PT San Miguel Pure Foods Indonesia, it is important to utilize and strengthen the quality of the products produced so that there will be difference between the products on the market, customer preference, and satisfaction, which can lead to greater changes in market share. Background. Here are data table of production condition of PT San Miguel Pure Foods Indonesia based on the product class output. The data took in 2013 through 2017. Based on the data in the table above, it can be seen that not all products produced have a good or prime quality output. In 2013, the number of products produced was 160,000 packs, with prime quality as much as 150, 250, and second quality as many 1,750 packs, and with reject quality as many as 8,000 packs. Overall average production if of 160 350 packs with prime class output of 159 920, second class of 1755, and reject 7775 with an average percentage of prime only 94.9%. 0.08%. Here are data table of as a company that applies the concept of good quality, second quality products cannot be used and recycled. Until the end of 2017, production showed fluctuating developments. There was a tendency for the number of second-hand rejects to increase. Referring to the results of the production output above, the company is actually still able to make various improvements so that the quality produced actually has a better quality and suppresses the level of products that do not comply with the applicable standards. Kotler 2012, page 22 states that product quality is anything that can be offered to the market to get attention, buy, use, or consume that can satisfy customer wants or needs. Thus, conceptually, the product is a subjective understanding of the producer of something that can be offered in an effort to achieve organizational goals through meeting customer needs and activities in accordance with the competence and capacity of the organization as well as market purchasing power. As a Here are the number of customers of PT San Miguel Pure Food Indonesia 2013 through 2017 period. Based on the data above, the number of customers in this case are distributors and retail for the period 2013 through 2017 illustrates that the number of customers has decreased from year to year with an average decline rate of 3.5%. Based on what has been described above, it is clear that the level of development of the number of customers or distributors and retail at PT San Miguel Pure Foods Indonesia has decreased from year to year. This will threaten the company if it doesn't get serious attention. Loyal customers are an asset for the company. Without satisfied customers, the company's business growth will not go well. Here are the Satisfaction has an important role in maintaining and improving company performance. Survival of the company, according to Griffin, a satisfied customer is a person who makes repeated purchases regularly between product lines, referring the other people who show immunity to competitors' products. The number of variables that play an important role in marketing activities as described in the background and the problems that arise and the expert's opinion. The authors are interested in conducting research activities with the title The Effect of Product Quality on Buying Decision at PT San Miguel Pure Foods Indonesia. Satisfaction has Formulation of the problem. Number 1. How is the product quality at PT San Miguel Pure Food Indonesia? Number 2. How are the purchasing decisions at PT San Miguel Pure Foods Indonesia? Number 3. Is there any influence between product quality on purchasing decisions at PT San Miguel Pure Foods Indonesia? Formulation of the clauses. Number 1. To determine the condition of product quality at PT San Miguel Pure Foods Indonesia. Number 2. To find out the conditions of the purchase decisions at PT San Miguel Pure Foods Indonesia. And number 3. To determine the effect of product quality on purchasing decisions at PT San Miguel Pure Foods Indonesia. Research methods. Population. The population in this research amount to 60 respondents of PT San Miguel for Pure Foods Indonesia. Sample. The sampling technique in this study was saturated samples, where all members of the population were used as samples. Thus, the sample in this research, the sample used was 60 respondents. Types of research. The type of research used is associative, where the goal is to find out or find the relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable. Data analysis method. In analyzing the data used, validity test, reliability test, simple linear regression analysis, correlation coefficient analysis, determination coefficient analysis, and hypothesis testing. Methods. Result and discussion. Number 1. Descriptive analysis. In this analysis, it is used to determine the highest minimum and maximum score, the rating score, and the standard deviation of each variable. The results are as follows. The product quality obtained a minimum variance of 29 and a maximum variance of 49 with a rating score of 3.740 with a standard deviation of 4.756. This score is included in the scale range from 3.40 to 4.19 with good or agree criteria. The purchase decision obtained a minimum variance of 29 and a maximum variance of 48 with a rating score of 3.785 with a standard deviation of 4.165. The score is included in the scale range from 3.40 to 4.19 with good or agree criteria. Result and Number 2. Verification analysis. In this analysis, it is used to determine the highest minimum and maximum score, the rating score, and the standard deviation of each variable. The results are as follows. Based on the test results in the table above, the regression equation is y equal 11.936 plus 0.693x is obtained. From this equation, it is explained as follows. A constant of 11.936 means that if the quality of the product is not there, then there is a purchase decision value of 11.936 points. The product quality regression coefficient is 0.693. This number is positive, meaning that every time there is an increase of product quality of 0.693 points, the purchase decision will also increase by 0.693 points. Number 2. Correlation coefficient analysis. Correlation coefficient analysis is intended to determine the level of strength of the relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable. The analysis results are as follows. Based on the test results, obtain a correlation value of 0.791, meaning that the product quality has a strong relationship with purchasing decisions. Coefficient of determination analysis. Coefficient of determination analysis is intended to determine the percentage of influence of the independent variable on the dependent variable. The analysis results are as follows. Based on the test results, it was found that the determination value was 0.626, meaning that the product quality had a 62.6% contribution to purchasing decisions, while the remaining 37.4% was influenced by other factors that were not carried out by the research. Correlation hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing with the t-test is used to determine which hypothesis is accepted. Hypothesis formulation, there is a significant effect. Based on the test results in the table above, the value of t count is greater than the t table, or 11.936 is greater than 2.002 is obtained. Thus, the hypothesis that there is a significant influence between product quality on purchasing decision is accepted. Hypothesis testing. Discussion of research results. Number 1. Condition of respondents' answers variable of product quality based on the respondents' answers. The variable product quality obtained a rating score of 3.740 in the scale range from 3.40 to 4.19 with good or agree criteria. Number 2. Condition of respondents' answers variable of buying decision based on the respondent's answer. The purchasing decision variable obtained a rating score of 3.785 in the scale range from 3.40 to 4.19 with good or agree criteria. And number 3, the effect of product quality on buying decision. Product quality has a significant effect on purchasing decision with the regression equation. Y equal 11.936 plus 0.9693x. The correlation value is 0.791, or has a strong relationship with the influence contribution of 62.6%. Hypothesis testing obtain t value is greater than t table, or 11.936 is greater than 2.002. Thus, the hypothesis proposed that there is a significant effect between product quality on purchasing decision is accepted. Discussion of conclusion and suggestions. Conclusions. A. The product quality variable obtained a rating score of 3.740 in the scale range from 3.40 to 4.19 with good or agree criteria. B. The purchase decisions variable obtained a rating score of 3.785 in the scale range from 3.40 to 4.19 with good or agree criteria. C. Product quality has a significant effect on purchasing decisions with the regression equation y equal 11.936 plus 0.9693x. The correlation value is 0.791 or strong, and the influence contribution is 62.6%, while the remaining 37.4% is influenced by other factors. Hypothesis test obtained t-value is greater than t-table or 11.936 is greater than 2002. Suggestions. A. Companies must update their innovation and ensure product quality that is in demand by target markets. B. Companies should consider even more competitive pricing formulations. Conclusion and that's all my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you and terima kasih.